So here's the main idea. I got the halyard here, and here's the tail of the halyard. It still has a piece of paracord on it from last year. I took a marlin spike and put a hole through the end, and then tied it. And this looks very unseaman-like, but it'll do for now. So, and then here, and this is kind of mixed in with some other stuff. Here's the paracord. That goes up to the sheave for the main halyard and comes back down inside the mast and then comes out here. And in fact, see, I can kind of verify that they're the same line by rocking them back and forth. It goes through that block, through the organizer, and then back to the winch. Well, through the clutch there, and then to the winch that you use to crank the halyard up, at least for the past 10 feet. So I think I tied a bowl in here. Yeah, I tied a bowl in here. So let me work on that. All right, so I've got the end of the trace line tied onto that loop in the end of the halyard with a bowl in it. It's a good strong one, and I wrapped the whole thing in tape so that nothing will get fouled going up. You can see how it goes up there. It goes in through the sheave and it comes out here, so it's ready to go. I'm trying to make sure that the halyard here doesn't get fouled, so I'm going to flake it out. All right, so I got this thing set up, and now I got the surge in the harbor. See, it's always something that messes you up. I can see that surge coming into the harbor, and it's making the boat rock. You can kind of see the other little boats at anchor. That little red boat was really rocking like a few minutes ago. And this is another problem with this harbor, is that you get surge in through the channel, with this, because the wind's coming out of the southwest, it looks like, which you'd think, well, the channel goes out to the west, and so you still get surges. There's probably some big waves out on the lake. In fact, there would have to be. So the protection here is so-so. All right, I'm gonna take this off the cleat. Okay, now all right, we're not fouled. And I'm gonna pull this. I'm just gonna get it through the outlet here. So, okay, so here's the halyard, here's the trace line, and away we go. Let me move up here. I'm kind of improvising as I go. What seems very simple in principle is often complicated in practice. So I'll be happy when I see the blue line emerge from the exit here. Got about close to 80 feet to pull through here. before we see it emerge. And I think I felt it go through the sheave, so that makes me happy. Come on. Yes! Yes! Ha ha! Oh. And let me get my leg out of the way. And this is a little bit weird, but I think it worked. Okay, I just got to move it on the other side. And of course the tracer line got tangled here a little bit. But hey, I'll get the tension on there and we can fix this up. At this end. So I'm going to untangle this tracer line and get it out of the way, and then I'll bring the halyard back through the hardware on deck. All right, so there's the paracord coiled up, and I'm just gonna, and I still have the halyard on this cleat. By the way, the other line on there is the topping lift, but you can put 2 lines around there in a pinch. And now to bring the halyard through. Bring the halyard through the turning block. The deck organizer. Da, 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 da. Through the clutch. Yeah, I can get it back through later. All right. Come on. Oh, okay, good. There it is. All right. Paracord did its job. It'll do its job again next year, next winter, which is 6 months away. All right. I'll neaten that up later.